Hey everybody, Jake here with TrendSpider to do this Thursday's analysis, and this is going to be on FANG stocks, which are definitely starting to look interesting, especially on the longer term time frames, such as the weekly MACD. Um, and really, what we have here on the daily price chart is we have a breakout here today, which actually was the first time we have closed through this trend line since August. So that is something to definitely keep in mind as a possible bullish breakout. However, this could easily be a bull trap. We'll just have to see what happens. Notice how the price bounced perfectly off the EMA 50 here today and then pulled back right below the weekly candle trend line here. So this dotted line is actually the trend line from the weekly chart overlaid on the daily candle chart. So something to definitely watch. We are definitely nearing the longer term resistance area, and we'll just have to see if we can break through that. Something to watch on the lower indicators on the RSI. We are now breaking through this 5960 area, or excuse me, 56 area. And so these two areas around 48 and then 56 were the two areas that the RSI has really had problems breaking through over the last several months. And now we have finally broke through this area, and you can see that a little better on the blog image just because I have annotations on that one, and we just don't have annotations yet on the chart where I can kind of draw it out real time. So until then, we can see though, kind of based on this horizontal line here, that we are breaking through previous highs that we saw in September here. So from the MACD, this is the weekly MACD overlay on the daily chart. And what we can see here is as we're kind of consolidating here, possibly for the next leg up, the weekly MACD is starting to curl here, possibly showing a bullish cross if the fast crosses the slow here. And we can see that the histogram has slowly been ticking up, and we'll have to see if that kind of goes positive. And essentially the histogram goes positive once the fast crosses the slow. So we will see what happens. This is the first chart of 4 tonight. We have Apple, Netflix, and Google coming up after this, and they're all showing a very similar pattern. We will have to see if this is a pattern that too many people are watching for and it may break down, or if this could be something kind of firmer going into Christmas. Everyone have a great night, and thanks so much for listening, and please reach out if you have any questions about our platform.